Okay, spark plug. I had a 5/8 to fit in there. The trick is to reach your finger in there and pull the cap off. There we go. Ta-da! Old spark plug out. New spark plug in. It helps to have the right tools and attachments. I had organized some stuff in my garage, different attachments to the wrenches, and I had a difficult time finding this attachment. So I had to find a clean towel to wipe you guys off with. I noticed that the screen was kind of dirty. Alright, so once it's hand tightened, then you can put this on. It doesn't need to be super tight, just on there enough so that it holds. You just hand tighten a little bit. I usually hold it by up here so you can tell when the tension is. Alright, and I took the wire right here. Just put the cap back on. And you want to seat it down until you feel it click. Alright, pull the oil stick out of here. Looking on my little diagram, I can tell that it's about 2 quarts. I looked online, and this Kohler Courage 20 actually takes 51 ounces. So I don't know, math. I'm just gonna add some and test the little dipstick and see when I'm close. I'm gonna sit you guys down. That looks like about 1.5 quarts. Let me test it. I need my bag. It always helps to have a roll rag handy. It also helps to have an extra set of hands. Let me try this off and try it again. Alright, that was full. Alright, move on to something else. Got a new spark plug, got oil in it, got a new oil filter. Everything looks like it's not leaking. Great. I can put this up, and now I can change the blades.